Hi friends, how are you all? Here your friend Rajnikant, Excel Guru, and here is a telegram query. It is asked by one of our brother in telegram group. So there are three queries. So I'm trying first queries. So there is some problem with something. So remaining I will explain you. So we are jumping to telegram query. So here it is. Okay. So you have to count like this. If it is A, you have to count like this. If it is B, you have to count like this. If it is C, you have to count like this. If it is only limited, I mean to say, if it is 4, it has to be 4. Then it will be easy. Okay. So I will show you that one also. I'll copy this one. Control C and Control V. After completion of this, I will show you this one. Okay. It is 4. Okay, after completion of this, I will show you this one, how to do sum of this. Okay, first of all, I will show here. Okay, so first what you will do, just name the fields with this, name the area which you want with this name. So it will be very easy. See, like this, I already named, see, already A. Click over here, and here it is B. It is C colon C. Okay, which is I already named it. Just select the data, whatever you need, and just go over there and type and enter. It will not accept any special characters except underscore. Okay, except underscore, no character is allowed in the name field. Okay, here I will show you how it works. Some problem with this letter C, I don't know why it is equal to, first I will show you indirect. See what will happen, F9. Okay, the name field, or if you forget that name field, just go to F3 and paste name. Okay, you have to check this one. Okay, understood guys? And it will show you like that. Suppose if you find any underscore over here, because in some, actually C is not accepting. I tried C, I don't know why it is not accepting. So for that reason I used C over there, some product. Here I will use, if you find any space or anything blank or like that, then it will replace with this, substitute this letter, comma. If it is fine, then it will show you the underscore. If it is fine, else it won't show you. Okay, underscore, close parenthesis. See, indirect, I will show you this one first of all. Parenthesis. Okay, F9. Again I forgot parenthesis. F9. A. Okay, it is showing A. It is showing letter A. When I added this one, F9C, it is not taking underscore. If it is underscore, if it is blank, it will take underscore. If it is not underscore, it will leave you the blank. It will show you as it is, whatever it may be. Okay. Control Z, 500, 300, 800, 900, 500, 300, 800, 900. Control Enter. Sorry, something wrong over here. Again something wrong over here. I don't know where. Some problem with my Excel. I don't know why. Actually, again I have to use this formula. Sum product, indirect, substitute this with underscore. If you find, it will show you underscore, else it won't show you underscore. Too many arguments. Okay. Okay, I typed index, not indirect. You have to type indirect. Control Enter. some problem over there. I don't know why it is showing. Let's see. B is working. See here underscore is not there, so it is accepting that it is not. It is okay. Here also the same thing. When I used this one C underscore, then it will work. Okay guys, something problem with this letter. I don't know what it is the problem actually. Okay, now coming to this part now. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2. So I will add two more things over here. Control plus 1 2 3. Control plus 1 2 3 4 1 2. Okay. Control Z. How many are there? Totally 1 2. Okay. Here how many are there? 3. Here how many are there? 2. So add now some number over here. 500. Okay. Okay. There are also 2 there. So add one more thing. Drag this and place some number 572. Okay. Wait a minute. I want 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay. It should be equal spaces. Then I can. It will be easy by using offset. Is equal to index. First I will show you. We need this one. Okay. A. The starting letter, wherever it goes, it will start from there. Okay. As for log, match A, comma in this F4, comma 0. So it will show you the position A, first one. It will show the first one. If you drag this formula, it will start from B. If you drag this formula, it will start from C. Okay. Now offset. The starting reference will be the A. Control Z. Okay, how many rows you want to move? Okay, no need to move. How many columns? 1, height 4, width 1. F9. Okay, somewhere something wrong, guys. Somewhere something wrong. Wait a minute. Control enter. Wait a minute. Index part is right. F9. Okay. Here it is. How many rows? So columns. One column height is this much, width this much. Okay, let's see. F9. See. 500, 300, 800, 900. Equal blanks. If it is equal blanks, okay, if it is not there, then you have to use indirect and like that. Okay, some product, go to end of this formula, close parenthesis, control enter. It's an array, but some product can handle array. Okay guys, so I'll type the 3 C1 4 C2. Okay, if it is 2, it will show you 5. Okay, it's very easy guys. First of all, I'll tell you one thing to explain you clearly. Is equal to month. It will show you the month, first month, January. Okay, if you double click, it will show you like this: April 4th, March 3rd. Okay, so here you have to use like this. Okay, so you have to use this formula over here. Is equal to month, but it's an array. F9. Okay, 1 2 4 3 5 2 like this. Okay, is equal to this F9. Wherever it finds the month number, it will show you the true and remaining are the false. Okay, now some product will not understand true and false, so you have to convert true into false, true into ones and the zeros as a false. So then it will convert 6, 5. So see, and I will F9, see. So it will count the ones but not the zeros. Okay, control enter. It is also it can also handle array. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now coming to the third part. Here it is. When it is 2, it has to show 50. When it is 2, some wrong here. 3, some wrong here. Here I did. There is some wrong here. That one correct only. I don't know some wrong. Okay, I did not use the formula first of all. Okay, is equal to some product. So not some product. Mod, open the bracket. Row, open the bracket. All these things minus row, open the bracket. This one comma divided divisor by this. So wherever you find you have to take those numbers. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have to skip nth row selection. 1, 2, 3. Every third row 1, 2, leave it of this 1, 2. Okay, you have to skip what happened plus 1. Now it will work. F9. So okay, some product multiply by this F4, F9. So it is showing wrong answer. Actually I am unable to find that error. Procedure is correct. Control enter. Wait a minute guys, F2, remove one from here, something wrong. F2, remove one from here. Let's see. The procedure is correct. 130. No. Third, okay. Control enter. Let's see. Third. So skip one. You can see. Based on the selection of nth row selection. Correct result 2. If it is 2, 50. See. If it is 3, only something wrong. The procedure is correct. F2 equal to 0. Let's see. Oh shit, I forgot to do one thing. Plus 1. After division we need equal to 0. Open parenthesis. See, this will be, wait, I will show you. F9. Okay, close. Oh, I forgot every time. F9. We are interested in zeros. Okay, 0 is equal to 0. And this is equal to 0. The mode one, remove this one. Let's see. Every time I forget 1, 2. Wait a minute. The red one you have to place. Yes. See, let's see. The number now. The number. What is the number? F9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the divisor? F9. 3, which is there. Okay. So we are interested in zeros. The procedure is correct, guys. F9. Wow. Every time I forgot the brackets. extra bracket is there, I think so. That is there. Total mode you have to cover, including 0. F9 2010. See, now it is okay. Okay guys, we are interested in zeros. Wait a minute, I'll explain it clearly. F9. So we are interested in wherever it is divisible by 3 and remainder will be 0, so it will show you the true into the concerned number. Control Z, control enter. First of all I will 2, I'll make it 2. Yes, I'll make it as a 1. So 1 won't work. So 1 means it will take all this. So instead of doing this, if this cell equal to 1, then show me only this one. Let's run this formula. Control enter. See 1. It is 2. So don't add the second row. Okay. First this one, and this one. Okay, something wrong. The actual 50 is there. Skip 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The procedure is correct. I am unable to explain you properly. See, the procedure is correct, but I don't know what's wrong in this. The procedure is also correct. See, 50. Nth row, correct to that example. Based on the selection, see, this is the right answer. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day.